like you're stuck in a cycle with tinnitus? Let me explain the tinnitus trap and how it works. Hi, my name is Shema. I'm an ASHA certified audiologist, tinnitus specialist, and the author of Living with Tinnitus book. It all starts when we hear the tinnitus. The brain instantly interprets it as a threat and sounds the alarm. Anxiety kicks in. This is the natural response to unfamiliar sounds. We start resisting the sound because it's annoying and uncomfortable. The more we focus on it, the worse it gets. This creates a cycle of frustration and irritation, and the more you resist to it, the harder it becomes to get used to the sound. This resistance blocks habituation, making it harder for your brain to ignore tinnitus, and that keeps you from feeling better over time. Take control of your cycle and let your brain heal. Breaking free from the tinnitus trap starts with understanding this cycle. Once you recognize it, you can start shifting your response and breaking the loop. Take control of your cycle and let your brain heal. If you want to learn how to do this, join my Ultimate Tinnitus Relief Framework waitlist and you will find out how you can manage your tinnitus. Follow to learn more insight on tinnitus and tinnitus management strategies.